Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel U.S. Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about the current uscis processing times of I-130 applications for 2024. Navigating the U.S. immigration process can be both complex and daunting, especially for families seeking to reunite with loved ones. One of the most critical steps in this journey is the filing of the I-130 Petition for Alien Relative, a form that establishes the relationship between a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident and their foreign national relative. As we step into 2024, understanding the current processing times for I-130 applications is essential for applicants planning their next steps. This guide aims to provide an overview of the latest processing times, factors affecting these durations, and tips for ensuring a smooth application process. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications 2024. Navigating the U.S. immigration process can be a daunting journey, particularly for families seeking to reunite with loved ones. One of the critical steps in this process is the filing of the I-130 Petition for Alien Relative, which establishes the relationship between a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident and their foreign national relative. As of 2024, understanding the processing times for I-130 applications is essential for applicants as they plan their next steps. Processing times can vary significantly based on the specific type of case. For instance, when a U.S. citizen files for a brother or sister, the average processing time is approximately 96 months for 80% of cases and can extend to 192.5 months for all cases. This substantial wait time highlights the backlog associated with sibling petitions, which are generally considered lower priority than petitions for immediate relatives. In contrast, when U.S. citizens file for a married son or daughter, the processing time averages around 101 months for 80% of cases and can reach up to 139 months in total. This category reflects the complexities involved in familial relationships where marriage is a factor, often leading to extended wait times as uscis processes a higher volume of cases. Permanent residents filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older face even longer wait times, averaging around 112.5 months for 80% of cases and potentially extending to 164 months. These extended durations emphasize the backlog and processing challenges in this category, making it crucial for applicants to be prepared for a lengthy wait. For unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens who are also 21 or older, the processing times are somewhat more favorable, averaging 96.5 months for 80% of cases and extending to 132 months for all cases. This slight advantage may be due to the prioritization of immediate relatives over those with more distant family ties. The most favorable processing times are observed for U.S. citizens filing for a spouse, parent, or child under 21, where cases typically take around 62.5 months to complete for 80% of applicants, with the longest wait extending to 81.5 months. This reflects the expedited processing that immediate relatives often receive, acknowledging the need for family unity in urgent circumstances. Similarly, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 can expect an average processing time of 83 months for 80% of cases, with a maximum time frame of approximately 95.5 months. While this is longer than the processing times for U.S. citizens, it still demonstrates a recognition of the importance of family connections. Factors influencing processing times. Several factors influence these processing times, including the volume of applications received, staffing levels at uscis, and the complexity of individual cases. Applicants should also be aware that external factors, such as changes in immigration policy, can impact processing times. For example, fluctuations in the number of petitions submitted, shifts in immigration priorities, and the implementation of new regulations can all contribute to variability in wait times. Importance of preparedness. Given the extensive processing times outlined above, it is essential for applicants to be proactive in preparing their I-130 petitions. Ensuring that all documentation is complete, accurate, and submitted in a timely manner can help alleviate potential delays. It is advisable for applicants to seek guidance from immigration professionals or legal experts to navigate the complexities of the application process effectively. Additionally, staying informed about the latest updates from uscis and any changes in processing times can provide applicants with a clearer picture of what to expect as they move through the immigration process. By maintaining open lines of communication with uscis and tracking the status of their application, applicants can manage their expectations and be better prepared for any challenges that may arise. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications at all service centers 2024. As families embark on the journey of reuniting with their loved ones through immigration, understanding the processing times for I-130 applications is critical. The I-130 Petition for Alien Relatives serves as a vital step for U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents seeking to sponsor family members for immigration to the United States. In 2024, the processing times at various USCIS service centers reflect the complexities and variances in familial relationships. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the wait can be particularly lengthy, with cases taking an average of 156.5 months to process for all cases. This extended duration highlights the challenges associated with sibling petitions, which are often subject to stricter quotas and longer wait times due to the nature of family preference categories. When U.S. citizens file for a married son or daughter, the processing times remain substantial, averaging around 139.5 months for all cases. The complexities involved in these petitions, particularly in verifying relationships and navigating immigration laws, contribute to the longer processing durations. For permanent residents filing for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years of age or older, the average processing time is approximately 85.5 months. This duration illustrates the challenges faced by permanent residents as they seek to bring family members to the U.S., which often involves navigating a backlog in this category. Conversely, U.S. citizens filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older can expect their cases to take around 107 months. While this still represents a lengthy wait, it reflects a slightly more favorable timeline compared to the processing times for petitions filed by permanent residents, emphasizing the advantages of U.S. citizenship in the immigration process. The most favorable processing times are observed for U.S. citizens filing for a spouse, parent, or child under the age of 21. This category typically sees processing times averaging 15.5 months, with the longest cases taking approximately 23 months. This expedited timeline reflects the priority given to immediate family members, recognizing the urgency of keeping families together. For permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under the age of 21, the processing time averages about 42 months. While this is significantly longer than the processing times for U.S. citizens, it still underscores the importance of family unity, especially for immediate relatives. Factors influencing processing times. Various factors influence the processing times at service centers, including application volume, staffing levels, and individual case complexities. Each service center may experience different workloads, leading to variations in processing times. Additionally, changes in immigration policy, such as new regulations or shifts in priorities, can affect how quickly applications are processed. The importance of thorough preparation. Given the extensive processing times for I-130 applications, it is crucial for applicants to prepare thoroughly. Ensuring that all required documentation is complete and accurate can significantly reduce the risk of delays. Applicants are encouraged to consult with immigration professionals or legal experts to navigate the intricacies of the application process effectively. Staying updated on USCIS announcements, processing times, and any potential changes in immigration policy can also help applicants manage their expectations and prepare for what lies ahead. Regularly checking the status of their application allows families to remain informed and proactive throughout the waiting period. Current USCIS processing times for I-130 applications at the California Service Center 2024. The journey of family reunification through immigration often hinges on the timely processing of I-130 petitions for alien relatives. For applicants submitting their petitions to the California Service Center, understanding the current processing times is crucial in managing expectations and planning next steps. As of 2024, these timelines reflect the complexities and variations inherent in different family relationships. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the processing times at the California Service Center can be significant. On average, cases in this category take approximately 152.5 months to process for all applicants. This lengthy wait underscores the challenges associated with sibling petitions, which tend to have lower priority compared to other family-based categories, resulting in a backlog that can extend the waiting period considerably. When it comes to U.S. citizens filing for a married son or daughter, the processing timeline is somewhat more favorable, averaging around 129.5 months for all cases. While this still represents a long wait, it highlights a slight improvement compared to sibling petitions, reflecting the complexities involved in verifying relationships and ensuring compliance with immigration regulations. For permanent residents seeking to file for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years of age or older, the processing time is approximately 90 months. This duration indicates the significant wait times that permanent residents may face when trying to bring their adult children to the United States, further illustrating the challenges within this immigration pathway. In contrast, U.S. citizens filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older can expect their applications to take about 109.5 months on average. Although this timeline is still lengthy, it suggests a marginally more favorable scenario compared to the processing times for permanent residents, reflecting the prioritization given to U.S. citizens in the immigration process. The most expedient processing times at the California Service Center are reserved for permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21, with an average processing time of around 52 months. This comparatively shorter timeline underscores the urgency and importance of keeping immediate family members together, which is a significant consideration in U.S. immigration policy. Factors affecting processing times. Several factors can influence the processing times at the California Service Center, including the volume of applications received, staffing levels, and the complexity of individual cases. Variability in case processing can also occur due to differing workloads among service centers. Additionally, changes in immigration policy such as regulatory shifts or evolving priorities may impact how efficiently applications are processed. Preparing for the process. Given the extensive processing times for I-130 applications at the California Service Center, applicants must take proactive steps to ensure a smooth application process. This includes thoroughly preparing documentation, ensuring accuracy, and submitting all required forms in a timely manner. Consulting with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide invaluable guidance in navigating the complexities of the application process. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications at the National Benefits Center 2024. For families navigating the immigration process in 2024, the I-130 petition for alien relatives serves as a fundamental step in reuniting with loved ones. Understanding the processing time specific to the National Benefits Center is essential for applicants as they plan their immigration journeys. The NBC handles a variety of case types, and the processing times reflect the complexities and nuances of different family relationships. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the average processing time at the NBC is approximately 56.5 months, with nearly all cases expected to be completed within 59.5 months. While these timelines indicate a more efficient process than some other service centers, they still highlight the challenges associated with sibling petitions. The relatively long wait underscores the limited availability of visas in this family preference category, resulting in extended processing times. When it comes to U.S. citizens filing for a married son or daughter, the average processing time is around 55 months, with most cases being completed within 61 months. Although this wait is still significant, it reflects a slightly quicker timeframe compared to sibling petitions. The processing times demonstrate the complexities of verifying relationships and fulfilling the necessary legal requirements for family-based immigration. Or for permanent residents who are filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 and older, the average processing time is about 52 months, with most cases concluding within 53.5 months. This timeline illustrates the considerable delays permanent residents may encounter as they seek to sponsor their adult children for immigration to the U.S., which can be influenced by the quotas and limitations on visa issuance in this category. In contrast, U.S. citizens filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older can expect their applications to take an average of 54 months, with 100% of cases being completed within 63 months. While still lengthy, this processing time is comparable to that of permanent residents, reflecting the complexities of this family relationship category. U.S. citizens filing for a spouse, parent, or child under the age of 21 typically experience the most expedited processing times at the NBC, with an average of 45.5 months for 80% of cases and 54.5 months for 100% of cases. This expedited timeline emphasizes the priority given to immediate family members, recognizing the importance of keeping families together in the U.S. For permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under the age of 21, the average processing time is approximately 53 months, with most cases taking around 58 months. This duration, while longer than that for U.S. citizens, still reflects the critical role that immediate family members play in the immigration process. Factors influencing processing times. Processing times at the NBC can be influenced by various factors, including the overall volume of applications, staffing levels, and individual case complexities. Variability may arise due to differing workloads among service centers, and recent changes in immigration policy can also impact the speed and efficiency of application processing. The importance of preparedness. Given the lengthy processing times associated with I-130 applications, it is crucial for applicants to prepare thoroughly. Ensuring that all necessary documentation is complete and accurate can significantly reduce the risk of delays in processing. Consulting with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide valuable insights into navigating the complexities of the application process. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications at the Nebraska Service Center 2024. For individuals seeking to reunite with family members through immigration, the I-130 petition for alien relative is a critical step in the process. Understanding the current processing time specific to the Nebraska Service Center is essential for applicants as they navigate their immigration journey. As of 2024, the processing times reflect the complexities involved in different family relationships and the varying demands placed on the immigration system. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the average processing time at the Nebraska Service Center is approximately 46 months. This duration illustrates the ongoing challenges associated with sibling petitions, which often experience longer wait times due to the limited number of visas available in this category. The extended processing timeline underscores the importance of patience and thorough preparation for applicants navigating this route. When U.S. citizens file petitions for a married son or daughter, the average processing time is around 53 months. This wait period highlights the complexities inherent in verifying relationships and ensuring compliance with the necessary legal requirements. While still a considerable wait, it is slightly more favorable compared to sibling petitions, reflecting the priorities set within the immigration process. For permanent residents filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 and older, the average processing time is about 51.5 months. This time frame indicates the significant delays that permanent residents may encounter as they seek to sponsor their adult children for immigration to the United States. The lengthy processing times in this category are largely influenced by visa limitations and the backlog of applications awaiting adjudication. U.S. citizens seeking to file for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years of age or older can expect their applications to take an average of 51 months. This time frame aligns closely with that of permanent residents filing for their adult children, reflecting similar challenges in processing complexities. Among the various case types, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 benefit from the shortest processing times at the Nebraska Service Center, averaging around 39 months. This expedited timeline highlights the U.S. immigration system's prioritization of immediate family reunification, emphasizing the critical importance of keeping families together. Factors influencing processing times. Several factors can influence the processing times at the Nebraska Service Center, including application volume, staffing levels, and the complexity of individual cases. Variability in processing times may also arise from changes in immigration policy or regulations, which can alter the dynamics of how applications are handled. The importance of preparation. Given the significant processing times associated with I-130 applications, it is crucial for applicants to be well prepared. Ensuring that all necessary documentation is complete and accurate can mitigate delays in processing. Seeking guidance from immigration professionals or legal experts can provide invaluable insights into the intricacies of the application process. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications at the Potomac Service Center 2024. For families navigating the complexities of U.S. immigration, the I-130 Petition for alien relative is a vital component in reuniting with loved ones. The processing times at the Potomac Service Center provide essential insights for applicants in 2024, reflecting the various challenges associated with different family relationships. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the average processing time at the Potomac Service Center is approximately 49.5 months. This duration underscores the lengthy wait that applicants may experience in this category, primarily due to the limited number of visas available for sibling petitions. As a result, individuals seeking to reunite with their siblings should be prepared for a prolonged process and should ensure that their applications are meticulously completed to avoid further delays. When U.S. citizens petition for a married son or daughter, they can expect an average processing time of around 53 months. This period highlights the complexities involved in processing applications for married children, where verification of relationships and compliance with immigration requirements can take time. While still lengthy, these processing times are critical for applicants to consider when planning their immigration strategy. For permanent residents filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 and older, the average processing time is approximately 50 months. This timeline illustrates the significant challenges faced by permanent residents in sponsoring their adult children for immigration to the United States. The processing times in this category can be influenced by visa limitations and the ongoing backlog of applications contributing to the wait. U.S. citizens filing for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years old or older can anticipate an average processing time of about 51.5 months. This time frame is similar to that of permanent residents, reflecting the complexities that arise when petitioning for adult children, where documentation and legal requirements must be carefully navigated. Among the various categories, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 benefit from the shortest processing times at the Potomac Service Center, averaging around 38.5 months. This expedited timeline highlights the prioritization of immediate family relationships in the U.S. immigration system, recognizing the importance of keeping families together. Factors influencing processing times. The processing times at the Potomac Service Center can be influenced by numerous factors, including application volumes, staffing resources, and the complexity of individual cases. Fluctuations may also occur in response to changes in immigration policy or regulations, which can affect how applications are processed and prioritized. The importance of preparation. Given the extended processing times associated with I-130 applications, thorough preparation is crucial for applicants. Ensuring that all required documentation is complete and accurate can significantly reduce the risk of delays in processing. Consulting with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the application process. Current uscis processing times for I-130 applications at the Texas Service Center 2024. For families seeking to navigate the U.S. immigration system, the I-130 Petition for alien relative is a fundamental step toward reuniting with loved ones. The processing times at the Texas Service Center in 2024 reveal important insights into the wait times associated with various family-based petitions, reflecting the complexities and challenges of the immigration process. U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister can expect an average processing time of approximately 54.5 months. This extended timeline highlights the significant delays that applicants may encounter in this category. Sibling petitions often experience longer wait times due to the limited number of visas allocated to this group, underscoring the need for patience and thorough preparation as applicants navigate the immigration journey. When U.S. citizens file for a married son or daughter, the average processing time rises dramatically to about 130 months. This lengthy wait period is a reflection of the complexities involved in processing applications for married children, where the verification of relationships and compliance with immigration requirements can be time-consuming. Applicants in this category should be prepared for an extended timeline and ensure that their applications are complete and accurate to avoid additional delays. For permanent residents filing for their unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 and older, the average processing time is approximately 54.5 months. This wait time underscores the challenges that permanent residents face in sponsoring their adult children for immigration to the United States. The processing duration is influenced by visa limitations and the backlog of applications awaiting adjudication, contributing to the wait. U.S. citizens filing for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years of age or older can anticipate an average processing time of about 52.5 months. This time frame reflects the similar complexities associated with adult child petitions and highlights the importance of meticulous preparation to ensure that all required documentation is submitted correctly. Among the various case types, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 benefit from the shortest processing times at the Texas Service Center, averaging around 46 months. This expedited timeline emphasizes the U.S. immigration system's prioritization of immediate family reunification, recognizing the critical importance of keeping families together. Factors influencing processing times. Numerous factors can influence the processing times at the Texas Service Center, including application volume, staffing levels, and the complexity of individual cases. Variability in processing times may also arise from shifts in immigration policy or regulations, which can alter the dynamics of how applications are handled and prioritized. The importance of preparation. Given the significant processing times associated with I-130 applications, thorough preparation is vital for applicants. Ensuring that all necessary documentation is complete and accurate can mitigate delays in processing. Consulting with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide invaluable insights into the intricacies of the application process, helping applicants navigate the complexities effectively. Current USCIS processing times for I-130 applications at the Vermont Service Center 2024. Navigating the U.S. immigration process can be a complex and often lengthy journey for families seeking to reunite through the I-130 petition for alien relative. The processing times at the Vermont Service Center in 2024 provide valuable insights into the anticipated waiting periods associated with various family-based petitions, reflecting the challenges inherent in the immigration system. For U.S. citizens filing for a brother or sister, the average processing time is approximately 116.5 months. This extended time frame indicates the considerable delays that applicants may face in this category, primarily due to the limited availability of visas allocated for sibling petitions. As a result, those seeking to sponsor their siblings for immigration should prepare for a significant wait and ensure that their applications are meticulously completed to avoid further complications. When U.S. citizens petition for a married son or daughter, they can expect an average processing time of about 130.5 months. This duration highlights the complexities associated with married child petitions, where factors such as relationship verification and compliance with immigration regulations can lengthen processing times. Applicants in this category should be aware of these delays and strive to ensure their applications are thorough and accurate. For permanent residents filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 and older, the average processing time stands at approximately 75.5 months. This time frame underscores the challenges permanent residents encounter in sponsoring their adult children for immigration. The processing duration in this category is influenced by visa limits and the ongoing backlog of applications, contributing to the extended wait. U.S. citizens filing for their unmarried sons or daughters who are 21 years old or older can anticipate an average processing time of about 80 months. This timeline reflects the complexities inherent in adult child petitions, which require careful attention to documentation and legal requirements to facilitate a smoother processing experience. Among the various case types, permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21 benefit from the shortest processing times at the Vermont Service Center, averaging around 38 months. This expedited timeline underscores the prioritization of immediate family relationships in the U.S. immigration system, emphasizing the importance of keeping families together during the immigration process. Factors influencing processing times. Several factors can affect the processing times at the Vermont Service Center, including the volume of applications, available staffing resources, and the complexity of individual cases. Fluctuations in processing times may also arise in response to changes in immigration policy or regulations, which can affect how applications are prioritized and handled. The importance of preparation. Given the significant processing times associated with I-130 applications, thorough preparation is crucial for applicants. Ensuring that all required documentation is complete and accurate can greatly reduce the risk of delays in processing. Consulting with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide essential guidance throughout the application process, helping families navigate the complexities effectively. In conclusion, staying informed about the current uscis processing times for I-130 applications in 2024 is vital for families navigating the immigration process. While these times can fluctuate based on various factors, being proactive and understanding the intricacies of the application can help alleviate some stress and uncertainty. By preparing thoroughly and staying updated on any changes, applicants can enhance their chances of a successful petition and look forward to the joyous reunion with their loved ones. Whether you're just beginning your journey or are already in the midst of the application process, knowledge is your greatest ally in achieving your immigration goals. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about the current USCIS processing times of I-130 applications for 2024. Navigating the US immigration process, particularly for family reunification, involves understanding the complexities of I-130 petition for alien relative. This petition is essential as it establishes the relationship between a US citizen or lawful permanent resident and their foreign national relative. As of 2024, processing times for I-130 applications vary significantly based on the relationship between the petitioner and the beneficiary. For US citizens filing for a brother or sister, the average processing time is approximately 96 months, with a maximum of up to 192.5 months. This long wait underscores the backlog associated with sibling petitions, which are generally lower in priority. US citizens filing for a married son or daughter experience an average processing time of about 101 months, potentially extending up to 139 months due to the complexities often involved in verifying marital status. Permanent residents filing for unmarried sons or daughters aged 21 or older face an average wait time of approximately 112.5 months, with potential maximum delays of 164 months, reflecting significant processing challenges in this category. Unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens aged 21 and older have a slightly better average time of around 96.5 months, extending to a maximum of 132 months. Immediate family members of US citizens, including spouses, parents, or children under 21, benefit from expedited processing with an average wait time of approximately 62.5 months, reaching up to 81.5 months at most. For permanent residents filing for a spouse or child under 21, the average wait time is about 83 months with a maximum of approximately 95.5 months. While these times are longer compared to those for US citizens, they still demonstrate a commitment for family reunification. Several factors influence processing times, including the volume of applications, staffing levels at USCIS, and the complexity of individual cases. External factors such as changes in immigration policy can also impact these timelines. Given the extensive wait times, it is crucial for applicants to prioritize through thorough preparation, ensuring that all necessary documentation is complete and accurate and can minimize potential delays. Engaging with immigration professionals or legal experts can provide invaluable support in navigating the application process and help applicants understand the best strategies for their specific situations. By staying informed and maintaining open lines of communication with USCIS, applicants can better manage their expectation and prepare for challenges that may arise in their journey toward family reunification.